We'll guide you through how to make ChatGPT sound more human. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log in with your account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to adjust the settings for a more natural conversation flow. Click on your profile icon at the lower left corner of the screen, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the personalization option here. You'll find several settings that can help make ChatGPT responses more human-like. You should choose the default mode, which is designed to make interactions feel more like chatting with a real person. Next, scroll down to find the tone settings. This allows you to modify the tone of ChatGPT's responses. Select casual for a more relaxed and friendly tone, which can make the conversation feel more natural. After adjusting these settings, go back to the main chat interface by clicking on the ChatGPT logo at the top left. Start a new conversation and notice the difference in how the responses feel. For even more customization, consider using the prompt engineering feature where you can input specific prompts that guide the AI on how to respond. This is especially useful if you have a particular way you want the AI to start or continue a dialogue. Keep in mind that the more specific you are with your prompts, the more tailored the responses will be. Don't forget to review and tweak these settings from time to time as OpenAI updates and improves the system. And there you have it, a more conversational and human-like experience with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.